everyone. Thank you for being here as we attended our research presentation. So, the research title is Online Consumer Behavior for Skincare Product. I will sharing insight on how online consumer behavior impact purchasing decisions and how business can optimize the strategies. Let's dive in and discuss the significance of the online consumer behavior experience in the skincare industry. Researchers are Abanes K. Atinado Aliyah H.D., Berweda Liz Joyce, Tizon Teresa J. A., Carbonate John J., Cotoner Keith Ryan C., Medjari Stephen C.
Research in this area can provide valuable insight into the motivation, preference, and behavior of consumers who purchase skincare products on their factors that influence of online reviews and ratings, the role of social media purchase decision, brand loyalty, and the impact of promotional activities on consumer behavior are crucial areas of education, additional understanding how consumers navigate online platforms, the factors in the influence this decision-making process and their level of significance with the online shopping experience, an important aspect to consider. By conducting research on the online consumer behavior for skincare products, business can gain a deeper understanding of their target audience and tailor their marketing strategy to meet consumer needs and perform effectively. This can lead to increased brand awareness, consumer loyalty, and ultimately drive sales in the competitive skincare market. Overall, studying online consumer behavior of skincare products is essential in helping business navigate the evolving digital landscape and success in meeting the demands and expectations of consumers in the beauty and skincare industry.
Methodology. Case study. The qualitative case study is a research method which enables a complex phenomenon to be explored. Through the identification of different factors interacting with each other. The case observed is reservation in the field of nursing science in media clinic decision-making process. The study therapy enabled a patient or health professional experience to be conceptualized. Mason 2016. A case study is a detailed study of a specific subject, such as a person, group, place, event, and organization or phenomenon. Subjects such case studies are commonly used in social, educational, clinical, and business. Research. A case study research design usually involve a qualitative method, but quantitative methods are sometimes also used. Case studies are good for describing, comparing, evaluating, and understanding different aspects of describing, comparing, evaluating, and understanding different aspects of a research problem. Shona McCombs 2019 Understanding of a Contemporary Issue of Phenomena of Boundary System. A case study is one of the most widely used of accepted means of qualitative research method in social science. The case study of approach is practically useful of employed when there is need of depth in a depth appreciation of an issue, event, or phenomenon of interest. In its natural real-life context of case study provide research with opportunity for greater depth of understanding of an issue. The case study is preferred of a research strategy when how, why, and what questions are the interests of the research hidden comes.
Research questions. These studies answered the following specific questions. Number 1. What are the skincare products that the respondents buy online in what online stores? Number 2. Why do the respondents buy online, not in physical stores? Number 3. What are the problems that the respondents encounter when buying product online? Number 4. Why do the respondents keep buying from online stores despite these problems? Number 5. What can the respondents suggest to online purchase? Number 5. What can the respondents suggest to the online purchasers like them when they buy skincare products online? For the 4.1 table shows 4.1 online stores all of the respondents buy skincare products. These findings are supported by Petruis 2017, in which the author stated that the share of skincare and cosmetic product purchased online consumer as of July 2017.
4.2 shows why the respondents, why in the online store, not in physical store, all respondents, reason for carrying online store is because of efficiency. These findings were supported by WANA 2015, in which the author stated that third of consumers prefer to shop online because they have access to wider variety of products.
Table 4.3 shows the problem that they buy product online store. The respondents' prevalent problem reported is product inconsistency. These include actual characteristics such as size, color, quality, functionality, and effectiveness. Such as inconsistency can lead to dissatisfaction and a lack of trust in online shopping experiences. These findings are supported by English 2023. The online shopping has become increasingly popular and a part of our everyday lives. From grocery to clothes to electronics, online shopping makes everything arrive at our doorstep with a few clicks. Unfortunately, with increasing popularity, there has been an increasing in the numbers of issues by customers by shopping online.
As supported by Len 2018, in which the author stated the growth of e-commerce environment causes it easier than even to research a product and purchase it online from the most reputable seller. This is power in the hands of consumer affect. Online business image serves as a good customer. Experience is a driver of purchase company should ensure that consumer gets the she need to ensure the friendly way.
Table 4.5. Show what ingredients or product are important to you when you buy skincare product. Online, the respondents unanimously emphasize the importance of skincare product being approved and tested when making online purchase. This indicates their concern for product and safety effectiveness, prioritizing transparency and reliability in their skincare choices. These findings are supported by Fernandez 2020. Stated in this piece, we look at 24 countries, all the market survey in global profile. A quarter of global consumers say they split their health and beauty product purchase. Equality between online and offline store by 3%.
The researchers found that people buy a wide range of products online because they have different tastes and specific needs. This shows that online shopping is popular because it can refer to the unique preferences of each customer. For example, some people might look for rare items that are hard to find in stores, while others might need products that fit their specific lifestyle. For online businesses, this means it's important to offer a variety of products to meet these diverse needs. By doing so, they can attract more customers and keep them satisfied. Second, many people choose to shop online because it is efficient and saves time. This highlights consumers appreciate the convenience of online shopping. Instead of spending time traveling to physical stores, they can quickly find what they need with a few clicks. This convenience extends to features like fast delivery, easy returns, and a wide selection available at any time. Online retailers should focus on making the shopping process smooth and hassle-free. By providing quick and reliable services, they can meet the expectation of customers who value efficiency. Third, most respondents did not personally check for inconsistencies in the products they bought online. This suggests that consumers trust online stores to deliver quality products that match the descriptions and images on the websites. Researchers found that consumers are generally satisfied with their online purchases because the products meet their personal needs. This satisfaction comes from online retailers' ability to offer products that align with individual preferences and requirements. And last, respondents consistently choose FDA-approved products because they trust in their safety and quality. This shows that consumers place a high value on products that meet recognized standards and regulations. Recommendations. In light of the findings and conclusion of the study, the following recommendations are suggested. First, future researchers are encouraged to delve into consumer perceptions and attitudes towards skincare products in the online marketplace to gain a better understanding of their preferences and concerns. Second, examine the influence of online reviews, ratings, social media influencers, and celebrity endorsement on consumer purchasing decision in the skincare industry. And last, evaluate the effectiveness of marketing strategies like personal recommendation, target advertising, and promotion in driving consumer behavior and enhancing brand loyalty in the online skincare market.